welcome back to our channel Tanmai's Experiments. In today's video we are gonna see what's inside an electric cell. First, let's see the outer parts of an electric cell. On top of the electric cell, you can see a metal cap kind of thing. See friends, I think you can see on the board also it's labeled. And that is the positive terminal of the electric cell. Through this positive terminal, protons will be passing and it is showed as plus symbol. I think you can see the plus symbol on the battery also. If you take a battery and observe, then you can see the plus symbol. I think you can observe. Friends, if you are having a battery in front of you, you can observe it better. And an electric cell is a storage of electricity. The protons and the electrons in it are the charges of electricity. Under the electric cell, you can see a plain metal surface, right? That is called a disc. Through this disc, electrons will pass, and this is the negative terminal of the electric cell, and it is shown with minus symbol, or it is also called as negative symbol. Now let's learn about the electric cell. An electric cell produces electricity from the chemicals stored inside it. When the chemicals inside the electric cell are used up, the electric cell stops producing electricity. The electric cell then has to be replaced with a new one. Friends, now let's see what's inside an electric cell. Friends, this is inside a battery. Now I'm gonna show you the parts of a battery. The first part is container. Steel can that houses the cell's ingredients to form a cathode, a part of electrochemical reaction. See friends, you can see the steel can, right? Which is out of silver color. That is the container of the battery or the cell. The next part is cathode. The outer layer is cathode, a combo of manganese dioxide and carbon. Cathodes are electrodes reduced by electrochemical reaction. The third part is separator. Friends, you can see some fabric kind of thing over here, right? That is the separator. Non-woven, fibrous fabric that separates the electrodes. The next part is anode, the inner part. Made up of power zinc metal, anodes are electrodes that are oxidized. Electrolyte, potassium hydroxide solution in water. The electrolyte is the medium for movement of ions within the cell. It carries ionic current inside the battery. The next part is collector. You can see this brass pin over here, right? That is collector. Brass pin in middle of the cell that conducts electricity to the outside circuit. Friends, now let's see what's inside a battery. How does a battery work? A battery is a device that stores chemical energy and converts it to electrical energy. The chemical reactions in a battery involve the flow of electrons from one material, electrode, to another through an external circuit. The flow of electrons provide an electric current that can be used to do work. How does a battery produce electricity? A chemical reaction between the metals and the electrolyte frees more electrons in one metal than it does in the other. The metal that frees more electrons develops a positive charge, and the other metal develops a negative charge. Chemical reactions. When you connect the battery to a lamp and switch on, chemical reactions start happening. One of the reaction generates positive ions, shown here as big yellow blobs, and electrons, smaller brown blobs. At the negative electrode, the positive ions flow into electrolyte, while the electrons, small brown blobs, flow around the outside circuit, blue line, to the positive electrode and make a lamp light up on the way. There is a separate chemical reaction happening at the positive electrode where incoming electrons recombine with ions taken out of electrolyte, so completing the circuit. So So that's about a battery, friends. Hope you learned something about a battery. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to Tanmai's Experiments, and also activate the bell icon to be notified by the upcoming videos.